Welcome to English Grammar and Writing Skills course of Edupom EdTech. You are watching the video with Manisha Bedi and the topic for the video is how to write an advertisement for lost and found. If you found an item or you lost an item, in that case, how would you specify it? So, in case, first of all, writing an advertisement, the advertisement should always be in a box, as I have already mentioned. Alright, hold on. Okay, now at the top of the box comes, like if an item has been lost, in that case put lost like this, lost. Okay, it is visible like this. Otherwise you can also put lost like this. Alright, or in the same way you can put found instead of lost. Alright, depending upon if the item has been lost, if you want to report an item which has been found or lost. Alright, now what are the inputs, what are the details which we have to put in? First of all, begin with lost and found, as I already discussed. Second comes the description of the article. You have to describe the article. Okay, describe the article. Alright, then when and where the article was lost or found. So if you found that article or item, just specify that when and where, what was the time, what was the place of finding that article or material. Or if you lost that a particular item, then specify that when and where you lost that item. Okay, why you would do that? Because it will be easy to track that. Alright, then the reward for finding it. In case if you have lost something, then you can put an attractive amount of reward, so that any person who would see this and if see this will try to help you, okay, in expectance of a reward for it. Alright, so these things you can do. Then put again the name, contact number and address. Alright, so this thing is important. Alright, so these are the 5 important points which you have to take care while writing a lost or found advertisements. Alright.